Hello friends and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing from where you can get the shopping sounds suitable for tagging products in your short or long form video and how you can save some of the sounds which can be used later on easily. First, you have to finish off editing your video and then go to your YouTube app and then click on the plus down below and then click on the short or video format whatever you want. Then go to the top part and click on the add sound icon. When you click on that, you will see that the all sounds option will open. That you have to click, that's on the top also. And once you click the all sounds, go down below and click on the shopping sounds option. So these shopping sounds can be used on any of the video in which you are adding any of the products, that is tagging any of the products. So you can go to any song that you like, and there are various options also like Hindi, Bhojpuri, hip hop, pop, Telugu, etc. So over here I'm clicking the Hindi one, and you can see you have all these songs that you can easily use. No attribution is needed, and these are suitable for tagging products also. You get a lot of choice. You can use these songs on your long form videos also. Like over here I am clicking on the sped and slowed one now. So over here you can get all the different songs that are eligible for tagging products. You can save any of the song that you want, like I'm doing over here. You can click on this icon and the sounds will be saved, so that the next time whenever you're in a hurry and you don't have to waste your time, you can simply click on the saved button and you will get all the songs that you have saved, and you can quickly choose any of the song for your short or long form video from here. As for the long form video, you can also see the names of the longer music versions, and you can get the same music in the YouTube Create app also. Like over here I'm using the Life of Relay for one of my shorts. So just click on it, on the arrow over here, and after that you will see that this thing will open up, and then you have to click on your files where you have already created the short and click on the short that you want, and then click on the next button below. After doing this, you will see that this short will be uploaded and that song will be added below. And once you are happy with the song, all you need to do is click on the done button. So in this manner the video will be uploaded. Now after this, it is similar to how you upload your shorts. Once the shorts is uploaded, you have to click on the done button, then on the next button, and then you have to finish off the rest of the work, that is filling in the details, etc. for the short. So as you would normally do for any of your short form video, you can caption the short, that is write the name, use any hashtags if you want to use any hashtag, and then you can go down below, and after going down you can select the audience for whom you want. Like it's not made for kids, so I am selecting this one. Then you can tag your products also. You can search for products in the bar, and once you search for the product, you will get a variety of products, and you can choose the specific one that you want. Just click on the plus button and a tick will form, so that product will be tagged, and you can then go back and search for the next product that you want. And in this manner you can add all the products that you have used in your video or about which you are talking in your video, and you can use some similar kind of products also for a little bit of variety for the audience to choose. And a sticker will be generated that will be of the first product that you chose, and you can drag the sticker and you can pull it upwards or downwards wherever you want to place the sticker. So over here usually I place it either on the top right or top left of my video, so that the video is also visible and the product sticker is also visible. Because if you place it on the lower part, then there are writings on the lower part, so the product sticker gets blocked. So this is the best way to put the sticker. After doing this, you can fill in the rest of the things that you have to fill, like you can put in your location if you want to put in your location, and after that you can put in the related video if you have any related video which is similar to the one that you have created. Like I'm putting a nail art video over here, and altered content you have to mention it, whether it's AI or actually your work. and you can add tags etc also if you want to, and you can add the video to your playlist if you have a playlist, and then you can upload the short. And once the short is uploaded, after the checks are done, you can publish the short easily. And in this manner you can add these shopping sounds to your long form videos also. If you don't want to add it directly like this, you can choose the songs and then add it from the YouTube Creates app. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.